Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. So if you want to see what I choose in this month, Latest and Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And before, lovelies, I unbox this month Latest and Beauty, I want to talk first about Luisa again, because they sent me 3 jewelry. I love them. They asked me to choose another 3 jewelries so I can talk to you about. And as you know, as I said in my last videos, I will pop in here, that it was not easy to choose because there are loads of gorgeous pieces in their site. So Luisa, it's a jewelry website. They are based in the US, but the delivery are really fast when you order from them, and also you don't need to pay for the tax, for everything, because it's all included in the price. So the 3 pieces that I chose is this earring here. I chose another earring because this is the only earrings that I can wear all day every day, because as you know, I have sensitive ears. So some of earrings that I put on, after 1 hour or 2 hours, I already have like crust in my ears, and it really hurts. So this is the only earrings that I can wear all day. I highly recommend if you have sensitive ears like me. So yes, this is the first product that I choose. And the other product that I choose, another ring. The last time I chose another ring too. It focus. It's gorgeous. So I bought one for this finger here, but I chose to get a small one. It's really gorgeous. I really love it. And the other product that I chose, because I didn't choose any necklace the last time, I chose a bracelet. So this time I chose a necklace, and here we go. I accepted to do a collaboration with them because, as you know, Christmas is coming soon. So I thought this is an idea to give it to your friends, to your family. So yes, I really love their jewelry, to be honest, lovelies. I don't wear a lot of jewelry, but their jewelry really good. So if you wanna check Luisa, I will pop the link of the site down below. And also I have a 10% off. I think it's Jayca 10. I am not 100% sure, but I will pop here, and I will pop also in the description box below, and you will get your 10% off on your order. So yes, if you wanna check it out, Luisa, everything will be in the description box below. And the next I love this, I forgot to say, it's quite heavy. So yes, I really love the pieces that I chose this month too. So now let's talk about Latest and Beauty. So if you're new to Latest and Beauty, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, and you can choose 6 products from the beauty counter. After 3 months that you've been subscribed to them, you will become a member pro, and you will get every month free delivery. So it will cost you only £12.95 your subscription box, but also you will get a 15% off on their collection boxes or limited edition boxes. So yes, all the infos always will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. I think I chose this item on the 1st of November. Yeah, 1st or 2nd of November. So yeah, when you open, lovelies, it looks like this. It says Latest and Beauty, my beauty discoveries, and then you get the products inside. And let's see each one. So the first product that I choose, it's from Umberto Giannini, color Flowerology Iris Plus Rose Flower Brunette, 97% natural, color rich, conditioner, moisturizer, and hydrates to color enhance and protect, soften the appearance of gray in natural or color brunette hair. So here we go, and this is a full size. And I tried a few products from this brand, and it's really good. So I thought to try this range because I never tried this one. It has 250 ml, and as I said before, Lovelies Latest in Beauty, they don't include the leaflet, so the price will be here. And yes, I thought to get only the conditioner because I have a shampoo that it works on my hair and I don't really want to change it. I usually change only my conditioner. I tried conditioner, but the shampoo stay. I can't use any other shampoo. This is the first product that I choose, and the second product that I choose, it's from this brand again, and this is from the Red Flowerology, the Foaming Orange Rosemary Volume Mousse. So here we go. It smells like citrus smell. It says repair, plump, enhance shine for full volume hair with rosemary leaf oil, wheat proteins, orange peel extract, provitamin B5 and vitamin E. And this is a full size too. It has 150 ml. And then the next product that I chose was the Hall of Fame of last month. I'm trying it at a moment and I really do like it. And this is from Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So this one, it says that use only once or twice a week. So I use it as a scrub. Very mild on my skin. It's not really harsh. That's why I really like this one. And I feel like after I use this one, my skin feels really soft, hydrated. So yes, I really enjoyed using it. So that's why I got it again. And then the next one that I choose, it's again from Nabla. I chose this one too last month, but it's in the different. So I choose this one in the shade Eve because the other one I choose is the Rule, I think, and I really do like that shade. And yes, this is the other shade. It's look the same, but the Rule, my Rule is more darker than this shade here. So yeah, it's more like this shade is more lighter than that one. So yes, I really enjoyed using that one. That's why I choose another color, because it doesn't dry my lips. Stay quite a bit on my lips. Stay like 4 to 5 hours before I retouch it. So yes, I really enjoyed using the other one. That's why that's the reason that I chose another color. And then the other product that I chose, this is the Hall of Fame for this month, and this is from BYBI Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream. Here we go. So as you know, if you follow me for a while, you know that I really enjoyed receiving eye cream in my subscription boxes because they're quite expensive and I use them a lot, like every day, twice a day. I didn't find yet my perfect eye cream. I don't think there will be, but still in the hand of my perfect eye cream. So yeah, this is inside. This one, it says brightening eye cream with algae and hyaluronic acid to diminish the appearance of dark circle and plump the delicate skin under eyes. Sustainably sourced makeup particles add light reflecting luminosity for smooth bright eyes. The other product that I choose, I think this is the last one, and this is from Bare Minerals, the long wear lipstick. This is just sample size. I have in the shade Petal. That's a tiny one, but here is the shade. Beautiful nude shade, perfect for everyday. Can't wait to try this one. Bare Minerals is a really great brand for lipstick. I tried a few of their products and they are really good, so I thought to choose this one. And then this month freebie, Lovelies, you will get from Floral Street Arizona Bloom, a sample size, and it's a sunny and nomadic euphoric free spirit. Smells nice. Smells florally. It's really a nice brand too. So yeah, that's all. Let's do a recap. So this month you will get a freebie from Floral Street, and this is a perfume, sample size. And then I choose the Bare Minerals Bare Pro long wear lipstick in the shade Petal. And then I choose also the full size from BYBI, I don't know, by B, I don't know, the Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream. And then I choose also the from Umberto Danini, the Flowerology conditioner one, and also the Volume Mousse full size. And then I choose again the Kate Somerville, the Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, which is I really enjoyed using it. And then the full size from Nabla, the Dreamy liquid lipstick in the shade Eve. So yes, this is my choices for this month. Definitely I will use every single product in this box. As I said, that's the thing that I really like from Latest in Beauty, that you can choose the products that you want, so you know that these products you will definitely use. That's all for me, lovelies. And you, what do you think of this month Latest in Beauty choices? Did you order it already? What products are you still waiting? Let me know in the comment down below. And also, lovelies, if you want to order from Luisa, these pieces that I have on me, I will put the link down below, also the discount code, which is 10% off. I will put everything in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the videos. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye!